Good morning, children. How are you? I am Vijay Kumar Das from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Wajidpur, Darbhanga. Today, I am taking class 4. It is grammar class. Today, I am going to teach you the number. Okay? Today, I am going to teach you the number. You know, a noun is a naming word. It can be one or more than one. Okay? Naming words are noun, A noun can be one or more than one. If it is one in number, it is said to be in singular number. Okay? If a noun is one in number, it is said to be in singular number. For example, book, pen, chair, table, etc. If it is more than one, if a noun is more than one in number, means counting, it is said to be in plural number. For example, books, pens, chairs, pencils, etc. These are plural. Okay. Noun may be one or more than one. Noun may be one or more than one. If it is one, it is said to be in singular. If it is more than one, it is said to be in plural number. Okay. Thus we see there are two types of number, singular number and plural number. Plural means many, more than one. Okay. Generally, nouns are singular in their original form. Okay. Generally, nouns are singular in their original form. We make them plural by adding s, es to them or by changing some other words. Okay. For example, book, pen, chair, table, these are in original form. These nouns are in their original form. They are similar. We say one book, but two books, two chairs, three chairs. These are plural. One book, singular, two books, plural. Okay. Generally, we add s to a noun to make them plural. Generally, we add s to nouns to make them plural. For example, book, books. We say one book, but two books. One pen, but two pens. Three pens, four pens. Okay. We say one boy, but two boys, three boys, four boys, or many boys. Okay. But if a noun ends with s, sh, ch, x, or z, the plural will be formed by adding es to them. Okay. If a noun ends with s, means if the last letter of a noun is s, the plural will be formed by adding es to it. For example, bus. Bus, bus. Bus ends with s. The last letter of bus is s, so its plural will be formed by adding es to it. Buses, buses, buses. Church, church, churches. Yes, add es to it to make it plural. Branch, branches, branch, branch, yes, branches. Fox, foxes, yes. Fox ends with x. Fox ends with s, x. That is why its plural will be formed by adding es to it. Foxes is the plural of fox. Box, boxes. Box ends with x. Means the last letter of box is x. And so its plural will be formed by adding es to it. Foxes, boxes, taxes. Means the noun ending with x The noun ending with x will the plural of the noun ending with x will be formed by adding es to them. Okay. Branch, branches, church, churches. Okay. But if a noun ends with ch, pay attention to it. If a noun ends with ch and the pronunciation of the ch is ko. Okay, ko. For example, monarch, monarch, monarch. If a noun ends with ch and the pronunciation means ucharan of the ch is ka, the plural will be formed by adding only s to it. For example, monarch, monarchs, stomach, stomachs. Here, monarch ends with ch, but the pronunciation of the ch is ka. That is why its plural will be formed by adding only s to it. Monarchs. Stomach, stomach, stomach ends with ch. That is why the plural will be formed by adding only s. Why? Because the pronunciation of the ch is ka. Because the pronunciation of the ch is ka. Okay. Another, if a noun ends with y, if a noun ends with y, and the y is preceded by a consonant, if a noun ends with y and the y is preceded by a consonant, means the y comes just before a consonant, the plural will be formed by changing y into is. For example, country, country, country ends with y, and just before the y is r. That means there is a consonant. That is why its plural will be formed by changing y into is. Countries, countries, countries. Story, story. Story ends with y. Means the last letter of a story, the last letter of the story, the word story is y. And the y is preceded by a consonant r. There is a consonant, there is r before the y. That is a consonant. R is a consonant. That is why its plural will be formed by changing y into is. Okay, story, stories. But if a noun ends with y and the y is preceded by a vowel, means there is a vowel just before the y. There is a vowel just before the y. The plural of the noun, the plural of such noun will be formed only by adding s. For example, boy, boys, boys. Here we add only s to make it plural. Why? Because there is a vowel just before the y. Boy ends with y. Boy ends with y. And there is a vowel, there is o, that is a vowel. O is a vowel. That is why its plural will be formed by adding only s to it. Boys. Okay. Fly, flies. Why? Fly, flyis. Here we change y into is. Why? Because y is preceded by a consonant. In fly, the word fly, y is preceded by a consonant l. That is why its plural will be formed by changing y into is. But in boy, y is preceded by a vowel toy, toy, toy. Y is preceded by a vowel o. That is why The plural of toy is twice by adding only s to it. Okay. If next point, if a noun ends with f or fe, if a noun ends with f or fe, the plural of such noun will be formed by changing the f or fe into ves. For example, leaf, leaf, leaf. Leaf ends with f. That is why its plural will be formed by changing f into ves. leaves, leaves. Knife, knife, knife ends with fe. That is why its plural will be formed by changing the fe into ves. Remove the fe, means replace the fe with ves. Okay, okay, students. Today's time is over. Next will be taught in The rest will be taught in next class. Thank you.